Hello! So, couple of weeks ago, Manly T-shirt reached out to me and asked if I would like to review one of their sweaters. And I decided to go with this men's geometric chip cardigans sweater jacket. And I picked the size 4XL, which is my size. And now, 2 weeks has gone and the package has arrived. So, let's open the package and take a look at the sweater and how it feels. Let's open the package and see what's inside. The size is right, 4XL. Let's take a little bit closer look at the sweater. So let's take it out of the package. This model has long sleeves, hood, and a zipper which goes all the way down. Let's go outside and try this sweater on. Final words about this Manly T-shirt sweater. The fabric feels really comfortable and it's warm. It's well fitting. Well, this model is loose fitting anyway because of the material. It's true to size and I could definitely think using this as a mid layer under the winter jacket. The product link to this sweater can be found in the description box below and to other Manly T-shirt clothes. Thanks for watching and bye!